It is not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness. Charles Spurgeon.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. One love. Hear the children crying. One heart. Saying thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
In the heart of the Jamaican countryside, big gatherings are a way of life. Whether it's for birthdays, family reunions, wakes, or holidays, these events are more than just celebrations. They're a true showcase of Jamaican flavors. You'll find dishes like curried goat, jerk chicken, roast breadfruit, and manish water, which is a traditional soup made from the goat parts that don't make it into the curried goat, like the intestines, head, and other cuts. Seasoning is everything in Jamaican cooking, from everyday herbs like green onion to native spices like pepper elder, pimento, and French thyme. No dish is complete without that burst of flavor. And trust me, wherever there's a Jamaican cookout, there's bound to be a bag of seasonings and plenty of fresh ground provisions. Because here, we live by one motto: fresh is best. Right now, the meat is prepped. As you can see, those seasoning, those flavors, that color jumping right out at you. And now it's time to go ahead and cut and prep all those ground provisions that will be used in the soup.
And we do it clean. What can you do it clean, please?
Yeah, then you must peel it.
No, man,
It's like how this a patty pumpkin and it's hard to peel, you have to cut it. So you can scrape it. You don't run the wrist with the knife in your hand.
Roast breadfruit is also a pretty popular side in the Jamaican culture and one of my favorites.
You know?
Yeah.
Drain the water down.
Now, this is a massive pot of soup, but best believe this will be finished before day's end, because the Jamaican culture is so beautiful and friendly with such camaraderie that sometimes you just see people will coming for a cup of soup. They'll send their lunch dish. Somebody will be passing by, get a whiff of that soup, and then soup is there for them to drink.
This kind of soup, rice and peas, meat, anything. Boiled tea, anything. One day if you want my picnic come, make me try something I mean and make them boy.
You don't like it neither, no?
You know, them will get it. And if you cook food and you too much, put it down and man, you eat.
When you go there, second dish to the company, yeah.
No.
And next dish to it. You know more on next dish to it.
And next dish to it. Me don't like to fix the food well. Let's go there for me. So I love cook rice and peas. Different from
Well, I love rice and peas, but you know, we
rice and peas.
pumpkin rice. You said we put on last week, more left.
You go have a pork.
A coconut we have in a cookie with coconut juice, it mad
See,
already.
rice and I don't have a pork. I don't love white unless you have yellow.
Okay guys, so in this plate we've got some goat liver and we're eating with some breadfruit. There's also some goat tripe in there, and like I always say, culture is important. Don't knock it until you try it. It's really good, really spectacular.
Now this here is the manish water that I mentioned earlier. Usually the soup is always ready before the main dish, so I'm going to go off camera and enjoy this. It's been an absolute pleasure showcasing this part of the culture with you guys. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and let us know where you are watching from, and subscribe to the channel. It's been a pleasure. My name is Lane, also known as the Happy Jamaican. Be safe, be well, be whatever.
Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Saying thanks and praise to the Lord.